So, good evening, viewers. Today we are going to study about the mirrors. What do you mean by mirror? I have written first. A piece of special flat glass. It is called as a mirror. This glass, it is being coated at the back side of it with the paint, and the front side paint part we cannot see it. We cannot see any images in it, and only front part, unpolished surface, we can see the images over it. And this is what the definition of mirrors. And next thing, I have written three different types of mirrors we have. One is plane mirror, concave mirror, and the convex mirror. So the first one is a plane mirror. So in this plane mirror, we have a flat surface. Okay, plane mirrors are made with a flat surface. The diagram, brief diagram of this, let me show. And this shaded portion represents the painted part, and this is what the mirror part, front one, wherein you can see the images. And concave mirror, the name says concave. Cave means bulged inside, means let me draw the diagram. So bulged inside. So this is shaded portion, it is polished one, and this inner part is having a cave part, and so the name is concave mirror. And in case of convex mirror, this is what bulged outside. So in case of bulged outside, meaning is that, let me draw the diagram. Bulged outside, so this part is actually polished one, and this part happens to be the bulged outside part, wherein you can see the images. So this is what the definition of plane mirror, concave mirror, and the convex mirror. Next thing I have written is what types of images. So plane mirror, it is called as virtual image, and plane mirrors always produce virtual images. Concave produces real or virtual images. Convex always producing virtual images. Let us try to understand what do you mean by virtual image or real images. Okay, so let me take example for better understanding. Let us take any one of the mirror. For example, let me take a plane mirror only. It is producing virtual images. So what is the meaning of this is that whenever the image is placed in front of the plane mirror, so whenever object is placed in front of plane mirror, and this image is always formed at the back side of the mirror. The image is always produced at the back side of the mirror. So, and this is called as what meaning of virtual image production in case of plane mirrors or in case of convex mirrors. For example, if an object is placed in front of a convex mirror, and its image is formed at the back side of it. Okay, at the to see image. So this is what the meaning of virtual image. Virtual images meaning is that whenever the image is placed in front of the mirror, whenever object is placed in front of the mirror, the object image is formed at the back side of the mirror. So this is what the meaning of virtual images. And in case of concave, it can produce virtual or it can produce real images. So let us try to understand what do you mean by real image. For example, if an object is placed in front of the concave mirror, so its image is going to form in front of the mirror. So this image production in front of the mirror is called as what? Real images. Next thing, we need to remember one more feature. In case of plane mirrors, how the object is same dimension of the object you are able to see as a image. In case of concave mirror, it can produce a magnification of the object or magnified images we can get in case of concave mirror. What do you mean by magnification of image is that, so whenever object is placed in front of concave mirror, the image you can see over the mirror is a amplified form of object. So amplified form of object you can see as a image. Okay, so next one, convex mirrors. So it always produces a diminished images. It is able to produce the diminished images. Means suppose it is used in the rear view mirrors in case of vehicles. Meaning is that convex mirrors we are using. Meaning is that in the mirrors you are able to see the small images of the objects that is coming behind the vehicles. Okay, so that is the images, that is diminished images you are going to see in case of convex mirrors. In case of concave mirrors, you are going to see the amplified form of objects or magnified images in case of concave mirrors. And one more thing, plane mirrors we are using it for makeup mirrors, so they are using the plane mirrors. Okay, so here in this video I have tried to elaborate the various features or different types of mirrors that is being used.